Hello, my name is Russell Myers. Welcome to Issues Unite. So, the Biden administration has now announced that they want to start, monitoring your bank account for transactions that exceed $600. So $600. What is the purpose of this? To make sure that you are paying taxes on on everything, and what? So if you make $600 off of Bitcoin, then they want to be sure that they're getting their cut of that. If you make money off of the stock market, well, that's going to be reported anyway. But but this isn't only incoming transactions. This is outgoing transactions. You put a down payment on a car, and they want to know about it. If you buy a new refrigerator or television that exceeds $600, they want to know about it. But the government has already known about this, every one of your transactions like this, and so much more for at least the last 20 years. And that was where this screen grab comes up that I had up there for a moment. This is something that came up in 2002. The Information Awareness Office. In 2002, United States Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, DARPA, established the euphemistically named Information Awareness Office to apply surveillance and information technology to track and monitor terrorists and other asymmetric threats to U.S. national security by achieving what they called total information awareness. The IAO office attempted to achieve total information awareness by creating enormous computer databases to gather and store the personal information of everyone in the United States, including personal emails, social networks, credit card records, phone calls, medical records, and numerous other sources without any requirement for a search warrant. This information was then analyzed to look for suspicious activities, connections between individuals, and threats. Additionally, the program included funding for biometric surveillance technologies. In other words, facial recognition that could identify and track individuals using surveillance cameras and other methods. Now, it was defunded in 2003, but that doesn't mean that it ceased to exist. Instead, this particular office, which, by the way, was headed up by Caspar Weinberger. If you're old enough to remember the name of Caspar Weinberger, Caspar Weinberger was the main identity in charge of the Iran-Contra affair. Yeah, this is somebody that you would want to trust, right? And yet, George W. Bush put him in charge of the Information Awareness Office. Anyway, after the Information Awareness Office was defunded, the technology that had been developed allegedly for this, but that technology already existed, it was spread out to other agencies. And so all of it still exists, and all of those agencies interact with one another. This even included things like books that you check out from the library, or if you buy books off of Amazon, or what movies you watch, etc., etc., what groups you belong to. So this is, they know about this. But $600, say they want to track every penny that you are. They're officially announcing that they're going to be watching for amounts over $600. But the fact is, what this means is that they are going to be watching openly every single penny that goes in and out of your bank account. Funny that they can't do that with much larger amounts for, corporations. They will continue giving loopholes and tax breaks to corporations so that the rich continue to pay, virtually no taxes by percent. As a comparison of percentage, you pay a much higher percentage on your income of taxes than the rich do. And that's not a question. I don't want to hear all these arguments about, oh, well, the rich pay more taxes than we do. Not by percentage. No, they don't. When you put it in terms of percentage, no, they don't. If you earn $30,000 a year, you are paying a higher percentage of taxes than Jeff Bezos or Elon Musk or any of the corporations that they are associated with, or Boeing or Raytheon or any of these companies. All of these corporations are not paying as much in taxes as you are. But $600. This is just going further and further, and this $600 thing, this comes out right when the Pandora Papers comes out. We know that nothing is going to come of the Pandora Papers, just like nothing happened from the Panama Papers. It doesn't matter what information that we are made aware of anymore. It does not matter. It is not going to change anything. But the government knowing about your $600 transaction, that'll make a difference. Kind of an interesting correlation here that it's $600 when, in December of last year, November or December, the amount that was given out to people was $600. Why this particular number? Why not $2,000, $5,000, $10,000? That would make a lot more sense. It would be a lot easier to track. You would be, catching maybe people that are actually not paying taxes that they should be paying. But no, $600. This is attacking the poorest among us, the middle age and the poor. That is the whole goal of this. You cannot deny this. You cannot question this. You know this is the truth. Anyway, I just had to say something about this. $600 and just where all of this tracking your financial dealings actually comes from, and they've been watching it, but now this is giving them the right to do something about it, to attack you, to take what little you got. Make no doubt, have no doubt, this is trying to take all that you got. All right. Share this video. Talk about these subjects. If you can, please donate $1 a month to help expand the channel. I'll catch you in the next one.